Welcome once more again, and I'm very happy and glad that we are back in our classes, and it will be a continuous program the whole of this year as we learn how to serve the Lord and how to be in the ministry, and especially our message and our training courses. We always teach about how you can become a good leader before the Lord. One thing that I have come to realize that Christ gave us and show an example of being a good servant leader. And this is what we're going to dwell in. And I believe this year that you and me, we are trusting God to become good servant leader. And it will portray a heart of Christ, a heart of a mission, a heart for the lost soul. And all this will give glory unto God. So I want to welcome you in this introduction as our fellow students and friends, wherever you are. Thank you, and may God bless you. Amen.